Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are taking up a wonderful shloka from Kumar Sambhavam, the great work of the great poet Mahakavi Kalidasa. So today being Phalguna Masa Purnima, that is full moon day, we are celebrating Holi world over. Holi 2024 is being celebrated. How this celebration of Holi came into existence is our theme for our video today. So we have picked up this shloka from Kumar Sambhavam. I am going to recite this now and I will deliver the verbatim meanings also. Then you will come to know how the Holi celebration came into existence. So as usual, I will begin the lyrics also on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and mug up this wonderful shloka. So here I go. Krodham prabho samhara samhareti yavat girah marutam charanti तावत् सवह्निर्भवनेत्र जन्मा भस्मावशेषं मदनं चकार. So it's a beautiful description. This short poem is composed in Indravatra Chandas. Let us now examine the verbatim meaning. Krodam prabho samhara samhareti yavat girah marutam charanti. Khe means in the sky. Marutam means Marut Devatas. The Marut Ganas or the Marut Devatas, they were wandering the sky in and around Kailas, where Lord Shiva was doing penance, and his penance was disturbed by the Cupid god who shot an arrow at him. Cupid god shot an arrow at him, and his penance was disturbed, and Lord Shiva was very furious. He was going to burn him down now. At that time, Marut Devatas noticed Lord Shiva was full of anger, and they shouted at him and exclaimed at him to cool down and cool down. Krodam prabho samhara samhareti yavat girah marutam charanti. Yavat girah. So these words, they were speaking Marut Devatas. Khe marutam charanti. So you're just shouting at Lord Shiva to cool down. And then at the same instant, tavat Savanhir Bhavanetra Janma. Lord Shiva has already opened his third eye. So Savanhi, that fire which emerged from the third eye of Lord Shiva, Bhasma Vashesham Madanam Chikara, burnt the Cupid god and reduced into mere ashes. So this is wonderful in meaning and wonderful in superb poetry also. Composed in Indravatra Chandas by the great poet Kalidasa. You can just enjoy this poem by reciting this often. So that will also reduce your krodha and all the 6 sort of enemies within you, and it will tranquil you and it will bring inner joy, peace, etc. That is happiness. That is what we require. So that is it. We will recite this shloka once again and then wrap up this video. Krodham prabho samhara samhareti yavat girah marutam charanti tavat savanhid bhavanitra janma bhasma vashesham madanam chakara. So this is it. This is beautiful poem. You can just recite it often and enjoy the ecstasy. So this is Suhas Tabi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony Channel Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. So next upcoming video, we will meet again with one more wonderful shloka. That is it. Hari Om Swasti. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Shri Ram.